Half a kilogram boneless chicken. 2 tablespoon garlic paste. 1 tablespoon barbecue sauce. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon dhania powder. 1 teaspoon red chili flakes. 1 teaspoon tikka masala. 2 teaspoon ketai powder. 1 pinch food color. Mix it well. Marinated for 15 minutes. 3 tablespoon oil. Cooking marinated chicken at low flame for 20 minutes. Shredded the chicken. Adding onion, cabbage, capsicum, carrot. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Now adding 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 2 tablespoon chili sauce. Mix well. Assembling. Applying white flour slurry at the edges and fold. Frying at medium flame.